Hello guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we will be focusing on importing 3D models into Lumion and reloading its content when you modify any changes to your model. Well, this is our mug, so let's begin. Now we are in the 3D Max software. Let us export our model as FBX file. Let's name our FBX file. Let's go to Lumion software. Then let's choose plain environment. Click the imported models icon, then the place icon. Then import new model, then browse our FBX file, then click OK. Now our model is in Lumion scene. Let's add some changes in our design. Then save it again as FBX file. Then let's go to Lumion. Click this icon to refresh the design changes you made in your model. And now it is updated. Let us again take another changes to our model in our 3D software. Then let us export it again as FBX file. Now let us make another file for this model. To import our model with different file name, let us hold Alt, then click this icon. Then choose our second model sample. So that's it for importing 3D models and reloading its content. Well, again, this is Armag. Thank you for watching.